Welcome back to the course. In this lesson, we are diving into the 3 foundational elements of building any WordPress website. The 3 principal tools for building WordPress websites are domains, hosting, and themes. By the end of this lecture, you will understand how these 3 work together to bring your website to life. Let's start with domain. Domain name is your website address on the internet. It is what people type in the browser to find your website. Think of it as your digital street address. Popular domains extension include .com, we have .org, .net, .online, .shop, even .tech. When choosing a domain name, make sure it is memorable, easy to spell, and aligns with your brand. You can purchase a domain from domain registrars like the likes of GoDaddy, we have Namecheap, we have Bluehost, and the likes. Or you can directly get yours through some hosting providers. Now, there are some hosting providers that also provide domain names. Now, let's move to hosting. Now that you know about domain names, let's talk about hosting briefly. Web hosting is essentially where your website lives. It's just like a house where you have your properties. A hosting provider rents you a server space where all site files are stored. By site files, I mean the images, the text, the video, databases, and the likes. Think of it like renting a space for a physical store. Your domain is the address and hosting is the actual building. There are several types of hosting services that you can choose from. We have shared hosting, we have VPS, we have dedicated hosting, but for beginners, most WordPress websites use shared hosting. Why? Because it is affordable and it is easy to set up. So, as your site grows, you may want to consider upgrading to virtual private server or dedicated hosting. Now, let's move to theme. Themes are visual backbone of your website. In WordPress, a theme is a collection of templates and style sheets that define the look and the feel of your website. Themes can be fully customized to fit your brand style, colors, and layout needs. WordPress offers thousands of free and paid themes that caters to various industries and designs. Now, all you have to do is to navigate through the WordPress theme library. When choosing a theme, make sure you look for something that matches with your website purpose and aesthetic. Are you building a blog? Look for a theme optimized for reading. An e-commerce site? Choose a theme that supports WooCommerce. Many themes also offer demo content that you can install to get started quickly. Now, putting it all together, your domain is your site address. Hosting is the space where your website files live. And the theme is the design that shapes how your website looks and feels. Once you have all 3, you are ready to start building out the content of your website in WordPress. So congratulations, you now have a clear understanding of domains, hosting, and themes, which are the core building blocks of any WordPress website. So stay tuned and I will see you in the next video.